like an actual egg. But anyways, we're just going to start off today by going ahead and cutting the wig cap. And to do so, you just want to make sure that you're cutting the wig cap up as far as possible so your wig will not end up sitting on your eyebrows, and it'll also get the most natural look. And as you can see, what I'm doing is just using my scissors to make sure I cut it very precisely. Now guys, I watched many videos before attempting to put on this wig myself, and not many people said anything about what exactly they did to the back of their wig cap. So in the video you will just see me cutting it a bit, but towards the end you will still see the cap a little. So off camera I did go back and go ahead and cut it off some more so it won't be seen, but just ignore it throughout the video. I know it's kind of annoying, but yeah, I didn't notice it. Now I am just why did I just make that face? I'm just patting this Kiss makeup onto the cap to just kind of like, I don't really know what it does, but I've seen other people in the videos do it, so I just went to go get me some makeup to do it too. But I would definitely recommend you get a makeup brush, but I didn't have one, so I just went ahead and used the one that came with the little makeup. Later on, you'll also see me put this inside of the wig too. Oh, look at, oh, up. Okay, so now I'm grabbing this alcohol and the little, what is that called? A cotton swab, and I'm going to basically put this on my forehead because I've seen the others do it in their videos to just make sure you don't have anything that'll cause the glue not to stick, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, do that, rub, rub, rub. Here you guys see me spraying this Got To Be Free spray onto the inside of the wig where I just put the makeup, just to make sure that anything doesn't get messy while trying to put the wig on and makeup doesn't end up everywhere. So I put the spray onto the wig and then we're going to blow dry it just so everything can stay in place. You guys are probably wondering, how the heck are we supposed to secure these combs? Like, how are they supposed to stick onto the cap? Pretty much, as you can see, I was basically just trying to stick the combs underneath the cap onto my actual hair, and it worked for the most part. It wasn't the most secure, but like the wig was not gonna come off, so that's okay. And then here you see me cutting more of the cap, and I really regret this, being that a lot of my baby edges were now showing. So if I'm edgeless when I take this wig off, then you guys know why. Time to go ahead and cut the lace. So pretty much what I'm doing is cutting the lace into 3 sections, and I've seen others do this in their videos just to simply make it easier to glue it down. Now for the most important part, I'm going to go ahead and grab this ghostbond adhesive that I got from the beauty supply store for about $25–30. And what I'm going to do is just dot about 1 to 2 lines onto the wig cap, and then you want to smooth it out. Now guys, it is very important that you place the wig onto your head and make sure you know where you want it to be before you start gluing it down. That is a mistake that I made, which led to one side of the wig not being as far on the cap as I would have liked it to been. But yeah, just make sure that you're very careful with that. I'm just going to continue gluing the other two sides and you will see that process take place. Once you guys have everything glued down, it was now time for you to find like some kind of elastic headband or something to lay down onto your lace, just so in a few minutes when you take it off, your lace can be melted. In the clips you can see that I thought I could use the band that came with the wig, but turns out it was not long enough. So pretty much what I did off camera was just hold the band and wait about 10 minutes while holding it. It was kind of annoying, but that's okay. The lace was still melted. Here I was fed up with the whole entire freaking video because I totally was not recording while cutting off the front of the lace, but as you can see, it looked really good. Anywho, I will go ahead and razor off the other two sides of the lace using my little razor, and I will be going in like a zigzag motion. I've seen someone do this on their video, and it definitely gave it more of a natural look instead of using scissors. Here I am showing you guys that it's now time to cut off a part so that it will not cover up your ear. And basically what I do is just pull out the piece that is over my ear and simply just cut it off because you don't want the wig sitting on your ear. Get into that before baby hair slay. That lace looked so good, so nice and sleek, even before the baby hair. Yeah, I was happy. I need to go figure out why it's this light patch right here, and I'll get back with you guys on baby hairs and a bit more plucking, because as you guys can see, it's really thick around the front and I want it to look a bit more natural than that. So with that being said, I'm gonna go figure out like this front, like this side. Amazing. Wait, let me turn this brightness down. This side, amazing. Then you come on this side. I think I didn't pull the wig far enough onto the cap, and you can kind of see, let me turn my brightness down. You can kind of see the outline. Now for my baby hairs, you can see me looking at my phone because I was looking at a reference picture for how I wanted mine to look. And this part is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to fast forward it. You can watch, you can copy exactly how mine were, and get the look. Just casually touched the hot comb like it wasn't hot and burnt myself. Just great. And for the last and final step, you want to get some of your got2b spray and spray it towards the back where you may have any lumps or anything from your part. And you are pretty much done. This came out so good for my first time. I was so excited with the outcome and very impressed and happy. Like what? Like I really did that. I just think it looks really good for my first time. I think I did a pretty good job. I watched many videos before I even decided to do this myself. I was like, I told my spam account, if you don't follow that account, it is more of my Karia. I told you guys that I was going to get a wig from a company and try to install it myself because I feel like that would be a very interesting video so you guys can see my take on trying to do it, and maybe you guys can get you guys a wig and try to do it yourself. The hair was from Beauty Forever, and in the box it came with a wig cap, a shower cap, and the hair. So you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, don't forget to click the links in the description box down below to purchase this wig.